Big update. The IRS, together with Treasury, has officially released guidance on Trump accounts. If you've got kids, grandkids, this matters. First, take a look, and it's linked below. IRS Notice 2025-69 and Form 4547, along with the instructions, are out with details. Trump accounts are brand new savings accounts and investment accounts for children under age 18. Any child with a Social Security number can qualify. Parents or guardians will elect to open one, and Treasury will establish the account. If the child is born January 1st, 2025 through December 31st, 2028, the government gives a one-time $1,000 deposit. That's the pilot program, and for now, you must file that Form 4547. It can be done with the tax return or directly at the IRS, and only at the IRS. That's irs.gov. And starting July 4th, 2026, families can contribute up to $5,000 per year total. Employers can add $2,500 tax-free to the employee, tax-free to the child. The IRS says these accounts must be invested in U.S. stock index type funds. No withdrawals are allowed until age 18 of the child. At age 18, the account becomes a traditional IRA style account in the child's name. This guidance is a big deal. It finally gives families clarity: when accounts open, how contributions work, and what rules apply. Used wisely, early, and consistently, these accounts can help children build real wealth long before adulthood. But there are still unanswered questions. The IRS calls the initial guidance. Full regulations are still coming. Things like investment options, distribution rules, rollover rules, and coordination with other tax-favored accounts. All of that can still change. And remember, most growth will come from additional contributions. Families without extra income may only get the initial $1,000 deposit, but as my dad said growing up, better than a sharp stick in the eye. So what should parents do? Be ready for the IRS election form that needs to be filed. Form 4547. Plan ahead for contributions starting mid-2026. Even small amounts add up. And follow the IRS updates closely. That I'll be laying out in my channel. Bottom line, Trump accounts are real. The guidance is official. It's put out by the IRS, U.S. Treasury, and this could be a game changer for millions of families. So I'm going to walk you through the eligibility, contributions, maybe a little bit of a strategy related to that in upcoming videos on my channel. So be sure to subscribe. Also, I've got additional other One Big Beautiful Bill Act updates related to many new programs, including the tax-free programs as well. So this isn't going to yield a tax deduction, but it is something to be taken a look at and making sure that as tax professionals, we're aware of what our responsibilities are, as this does have an opportunity to be filed with tax returns. So with that, thanks for tuning in. I'd love it if you'd subscribe, and then don't you ever forget, you've never met a CPA quite like me. You have a great one.